Hello, this is me again for this another video, and it's about 4:45 in the afternoon. We're almost near 5 o'clock curfew, and they're still here. The construction workers. They've been here about 9 hours. That means typically 7:30. And look, and what did they did? They did like a pretty good job on it. Yeah, this is the closest I can get. Now, maybe if I have enough time, I can do the aftermath video when everybody leaves. Last night I had to wait for these people to leave, but they wouldn't budge. Pardon me, I have to find my watch. New York. I gotta have those love bugs. I'm obsessed with these Herbie movies. Sorry. Let me just check if someone texts me. Well, we're still here. This is like watching the Forest of Feelings in the Care Bears episodes. Or even the first Care Bears movie in 1985. Boy, Care Bears were popular in the 80s. Oh, God. Well, I miss watching these Disney live-action movies on TV, but I watch them all on DVD and video cassette on VHS and Betamax. Especially the Herbie movies. Or the Dexter Riley movie with Kurt Russell. They don't make them like that anymore. Boy. Oh, Jeanette, Nelson, where are you? Excuse me, I just can't get them off my mind. Now we gotta wait for these Heckles and Jekylls to leave. Especially this guy was running a truck. Yesterday was a long one, it just broke the record. Maybe building a cage or something. Maybe you put, I don't know, a garage. Well, they've been here for 2 weeks, so we should get the hell out of here. Right now it's almost near 5 o'clock in about 7 minutes. Yep. Hopefully, if they ever leave, we'll do the aftermath video. Maybe they're packing it in or something. I don't know. I don't see a dog, thank God. That was yesterday. I've been with eBay for about 21 years. I'm used to this for 21 years. In the seller, 11 years. Yep. They're probably digging or something. I see only one guy is there. They didn't build the bigger front. Probably just going backwards. Wait for the car. At least they didn't cut any more trees. We're going to leave them alone. But in the future, they might cut some more. I mean, in the future, they might even grow some more trees. No, I see 3 men still there. There used to be a lot yesterday. But for now, it's 3 men. Excuse me. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video just for now, and hopefully I'll see you a little bit later for more. If they ever leave, we'll do Aftermath. Aftermath doesn't take that long, is it? Nope. Till then, we'll be watching and enjoy these videos while it lasted. Later, folks.